It's time to get ready for one of Marty's super duper Microsoft Word lessons. The lesson today is how to get the most out of the font dialog box in Microsoft Word. This is a really good lesson. I think we'll have some fun with it. First of all, if you select everything and you want to just raise your font size, make it larger or smaller, this is the way to go. Quite easy, isn't it? I think I'll keep it selected now just to show some other things. You can do bold, italics, underline, all of them at the same time, see? And if you want to undo anything, you just go back a couple steps, underline, bold, and you see it disappearing here. Okay, that's easy enough. Here is for editing, you can do strikeout, just like in baseball. You're out! Here we go. Where did that strikeout go? Here we go. And if you're editing someone's work, it's out of there. But we don't want that for now, so we'll undo that. Here's something neat as well. Let's say second or third or fourth or whatever, and you want to superscript this. Supersize me. Here is X2 subscript, but you want superscript. You go like that. Bravo, you've got it. And this is great for endnotes, footnotes, mathematics, all sorts of functions. So have fun with that. Okay, here's where all the real interesting stuff begins. We don't need that word second, so I won't include this. Look at this. You're going to love this. You keep the cursor over here, and it'll tell you what you have. This is a gradient fill orange accent 6 inner shadow. And when you have a look at that, it doesn't get much prettier than that. It really doesn't. You can add a lot of flair to your presentations or to your word exercises. Oops, I have to select everything. Try to go faster so I don't bore people to death and don't waste everyone's time. What else can we do here? Here's some reflections that are pretty neat. And if you look below, the reflections go in different directions. Very subtle again. Here is, let's see, this one's 8 points. You might notice it a bit. You hardly see the reflection there. Oh, that's because I didn't select anything. That'll explain it. Where are these reflections? Let's try it again. Here we go. Now that it's selected, you do see the reflections. Look, it's like water. Gorgeous stuff. Gorgeous stuff. Let's go back now. Maybe we'll go back to here. What else do we have? Glow effects. Watch these. These are beauties. Didn't select anything again. Let's go for glow effects. Look at this. So this one would be called 18-point glow. The higher the point, the more noticeable and obvious it is. That's really stunning, I find. I like that anyway. But then again, small things for small minds. What else do we have? Here you go. That's a highlight color if you want to highlight everything. That's definitely an attention grabber. And what do we have left? Gradients. Here's one that goes out from the middle, from center. Again, very subtle. And when you press it, you'll notice on the middle of the everything, it's darker, and on the outside, it gets lighter. So very subtle. And let's say another gradient could be, the lighter ones aren't as noticeable. What's this one? Bottom right to top left, linear diagonal. Again, yep, pretty neat. If you look inside the words, you can see it, where it's darker and lighter. Very subtle again, and you can customize everything to just the way you want it if you want to take the time. Now, if you want to get rid of all this formatting that I've done and make it really boring, you select everything, and here is clear formatting, and you're just going to go back to all default settings. Bingo. Dull and boring, but some people like that. So that concludes my lesson of the day on all of this and fonts, and I hope you all enjoyed it very much.